Hello, amazing learners! Welcome back to Listen and Learn. Today, we are diving deep into a powerful English learning technique called shadowing. Shadowing is a method where you listen to a native speaker and simultaneously repeat what they say, mimicking their pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. It's one of the fastest ways to improve your English speaking, listening, and accent. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to shadow efficiently, step by step, so you can see real improvement in just a few weeks. Let's begin. What is shadowing and why it works? Before we jump into techniques, let's understand why shadowing works. Shadowing engages both listening and speaking simultaneously. Your brain gets used to English sounds, sentence structures, and natural rhythm. It also trains your mouth muscles to form English words correctly. Unlike normal repetition, shadowing requires you to imitate real time, which improves your fluency and confidence much faster than just reading or memorizing. Choosing the right material. Step 1 is to choose the right material. Not every audio or video is good for shadowing. Here's what to look for. 1. Clear pronunciation. Choose audio with slow, clear speech at first. 2. Natural sentences. Avoid texts that are too complicated or unnatural. 3. Short clips. Start with 1 to 2 minutes, then gradually increase. 4. Interest factor. Pick content you enjoy, movies, podcasts, or YouTube video. Step-by-step shadowing technique. Now let's break down how to shadow efficiently. Step 1. Listen carefully. Play the clip once or twice without speaking. Focus on pronunciation, stress, and intonation. Step 2. Repeat immediately. Replay in small chunks. Repeat after the speaker immediately. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Step 3. Speak along. Try speaking simultaneously with the speaker. Match speed, tone, and emotion. Step 4. Record yourself. Recording helps you compare your pronunciation or rhythm with the native speaker. Notice where your pronunciation or rhythm differs. Step 5. Slow down or loop. Use slower playback if it's too fast. Loop small sections repeatedly until comfortable. Advanced shadowing tips. Now that you know the basic shadowing steps, let's talk about how to make shadowing even more effective. Tip 1. Focus on intonation and stress. English is not just about words. It's about how you say them. Pay attention to which words are stressed in a sentence and the rise and fall of your voice. Example, I really want to go. The stress is on really. Tip 2. Use shadowing in chunks. Don't try to shadow long passages at first. Break audio into 2 to 5 second chunks and repeat until perfect. Tip 3. Shadow with expression. English sounds natural when spoken with emotion and expression. Imagine the situation while repeating. Are you happy, sad, excited? Let your voice reflect that emotion. Tip 4. Use different speakers. Shadowing different accents or voices helps you adapt to varied English pronunciations. Try podcasts, YouTube videos, movies, or audiobooks. Tip 5. Combine shadowing with listening. Shadowing alone is good, but active listening improves comprehension. Listen first without speaking, then shadow. This builds ear training and speaking confidence simultaneously. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Even experienced learners make mistakes while shadowing. Here's how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Shadowing too fast. Many learners try to shadow long sentences immediately. Solution: slow down audio, shadow short phrases, gradually increase speed. Mistake 2. Ignoring pronunciation. Simply repeating words without caring about pronunciation won't help. Solution: focus on how each sound is formed. Use phonetic guides if needed. Mistake 3. Skipping emotion. Shadowing monotonously makes your speech robotic. Solution: always match the tone, pitch, and emotion of the speaker. Mistake 4. Not recording yourself means you cannot notice mistakes. Solution: record and compare. Repeat the section until it matches the native speaker. Mistake 5. Only shadowing long clips. Shadowing long content without preparation can be overwhelming. Solution: start small, then gradually increase difficulty. Daily shadowing routine. Consistency is the key. Here's an example daily routine for shadowing efficiently. Step 1. Warm up. 5 minutes. Tongue twisters or pronunciation drills. Example: she sells seashells by the seashore. Step 2. Listening phase. 10 minutes. Pick a short audio clip, 1 to 2 minutes. Listen carefully. Notice pronunciation, stress, and rhythm. Step 3. Chunk shadowing. 15 minutes. Divide the clip into short sections, 2 to 5 seconds. Repeat after the speaker multiple times until accurate. Step 4. Full shadowing. 10 minutes. Shadow the entire clip at normal speed. Try to synchronize completely with the speaker. Step 5. Recording and feedback. 10 minutes. Record your shadowing session. Compare with the original. Identify errors and repeat problem sections. Step 6. Reflection and note-taking. 5 minutes. Note new words, phrases, and pronunciation patterns. Write down any improvements or challenges for the next session. Total about 55 minutes per day. Even 30 to 40 minutes consistently brings great results. Shadowing exercises. Here are some practical exercises to make shadowing more effective. Exercise 1. Echo shadowing. Play 2 to 3-second audio clips. Repeat exactly after the speaker, mimicking tone and rhythm. Exercise 2. Whisper shadowing. Shadow in a low voice or whisper. Helps focus on accuracy without worrying about volume or confidence. Exercise 3. Slow motion shadowing. Slow down audio to 50 to 70% speed. Focus on correct pronunciation and rhythm. Exercise 4. Shadow and translate. Shadow in English, then translate in your mind. Builds both speaking and comprehension skills. Exercise 5. Shadow with intonation. Focus on pitch and sentence melody rather than just words. Makes your speech sound natural and fluent. Motivational tips for shadowing consistency. Shadowing is one of the most effective methods to improve English, but its results depend heavily on consistent practice. Many learners start with excitement but lose motivation over time. Here are some strategies to stay motivated and consistent. Tip 1. Set clear goals. Short-term goals focus on small, achievable milestones, like shadowing 5 minutes daily for 1 week. Medium-term goals shadow a full 2 to 3 minute clip without mistakes. Long-term goals aim to shadow entire podcasts, movies, or interviews fluently. Having clear goals keeps your mind focused and motivated. Example: Week 1, shadow 1-minute clips perfectly. Week 2, shadow 2-minute clips. Week 3, record and compare your speech with a native speaker. Tip 2. Track your progress. Daily logs note the clips you practiced, your mistakes, and improvements. Weekly recordings compare your recordings weekly to see tangible progress. Celebrate small wins. Even slight improvements in pronunciation, intonation, or fluency are worth celebrating. Tracking progress gives you a sense of achievement, which keeps motivation high. Tip 3. Make shadowing a habit. Consistency over duration. It's better to practice 15 to 20 minutes every day than 2 hours once a week. Tie it to a routine. Practice right after breakfast, lunch, or before bed. Use reminders. Phone alarms, sticky notes, or calendar events help maintain the habit. Pro tip: when a habit becomes automatic, motivation matters less. Your brain expects shadowing as a normal part of the day. Tip 4. Choose interesting and relevant content. Boring audio will make shadowing feel like a chore. Pick content you enjoy: movies, podcasts, news clips, interviews, or speeches. When you enjoy the content, learning feels natural, not forced. Example: love travel? Shadow travel vlogs. Love technology? Shadow tech reviews. Love stories? Shadow audiobooks or dialogues. Tip 5. Use a reward system. Give yourself small rewards after completing a shadowing session. Watch your favorite YouTube video, have a snack, take a short walk. Rewarding yourself trains your brain to associate shadowing with positivity, increasing motivation. Tip 6. Join a community or find a shadowing buddy. Practicing alone can get lonely, which may reduce consistency. Join online groups, forums, or Discord servers focused on English learning and shadowing. Partner up with a friend or mentor to share recordings, give feedback, and encourage each other. Benefit: social accountability keeps you consistent and motivated. Tip 7. Embrace imperfection. Many learners get discouraged when they make mistakes or cannot match the native speaker perfectly. Remember, shadowing is a skill that improves gradually. Celebrate effort, not just perfection. Each session strengthens your listening and speaking skills. Motivational reminder: even 10 minutes a day adds up to more than 60 hours in 6 months, which is enough for noticeable improvement in accent, fluency, and confidence. Tip 8. Visualize success. Imagine yourself speaking English fluently, confidently, and naturally. Picture yourself communicating easily with native speakers. Visualization boosts motivation and reminds you why you started practicing shadowing in the first place. Example exercise: before starting your shadowing session, close your eyes and imagine hearing a native speaker clearly, repeating with perfect pronunciation, feeling confidence and proud of your progress. This mental rehearsal prepares your brain for success and makes shadowing more effective. Tip 9. Mix shadowing with other learning methods. Shadowing works best when combined with vocabulary building, listening comprehension, and speaking exercises. This keeps your practice diverse and engaging, preventing boredom. Tip 10. Stay patient and consistent. Fluency doesn't happen overnight. It takes weeks and months of consistent practice. Shadowing develops muscle memory, listening skills, and speech rhythm, which compound over time. Trust the process and don't give up if you don't see immediate results. Motivational quote: small daily improvements are the key to long-term success. Shadow a little, speak a little, and soon you will shine a lot. If you found this video helpful, here's what you can do next. Start shadowing today. Pick a 1 to 2 minute clip and try your first shadowing session. Record yourself. Compare your speech with the native speaker. Share your progress. Comment below or join a community to get feedback and motivation. Subscribe and like. If you want more English learning tips, exercises, and shadowing guides, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Practice daily. Consistency is your secret weapon. Even 10 minutes a day adds up.